What's going on, YouTube? It's Kevin from KTMusicGroup bringing you another reaction video. Today, I'm bringing you reaction to a George Clinton solo record that I'd never heard of. This is my first time doing a first-time reaction without ever hearing a song. And I'm shocked and I'm jealous that something from the Pfunk family, from the Parliament Funkadelic George Clinton family, got past me. Okay, so and I know it's already a banger because he wouldn't have requested it. Martin wouldn't have requested this if it wasn't a banger. So we're gonna go right into it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. All right, click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. And also, the merch is available in the channel description in the About section. Just scroll down, find the link, and then you'll find all the merch. People have been asking me, where can I get that t-shirt? Where can I get that t-shirt? So it's available. All right, without any further ado, let's get to it. I'm anxious to hear it for the first time. All right, this is new for me. Don't surprise me with no good music, you know what I'm saying? Let's get into it. Plus, I like obscure music anyway. The B-side stuff that's not gonna get on the radio.
U.S. Custom Coast Guard dope dog, nickname Bustin'. Like most dope sniffing dogs, you gotta have it. Trained to have it. Pick up the tracks of the traffic, track 'em like a rabbit up the coastline. K9 control.
The chords are sounding good.
Retriever, receiver of the golden
that's
nose
funky.
award,
What?
To the cash.
How'd I miss this?
Now he's in line for his issue of the booty. Never do he do a line in the line of duty. He's a dope dog. U.S. Custom Coast Guard dope dog. Keen sense of smell. Tracking the telltale trails of cartel dope boats. Big dope. Never a gram of OZ. Kilo, too low key. Gotta be tons of people. Bells of lumbo. While other dogs sniffing one another's tail.
There's my crash.
You can track the profits from a dope sale straight to the stink account. Big banks.
Oh, they missed it.
Banking online the dirty money not stinking. He follow his nose, and as the wind blows, he get a whiff, he take a sniff.
I wonder, is that Junie Morrison on the keyboards?
Old Mac Uncle had some drugs. CIA.
I'd be anxious to know if that's Junie Morrison, William Junie Morrison on keyboards, or is that Bernie Worrell? That would be. I'd be interested to know that. I'm gonna have to look that up when this is over with.
Oh, and with those drugs he bought.
As far as I know, it's probably Bootsy Collins playing the drums, and I never knew he was a drummer before. That blew my mind when I found out he was a drummer first, and then that he was the drummer. Then he played Knee Deep. All right, I already covered Knee Deep.
Some arms, CIAIO. It was a bang bang here and a snort there. Here bang
George
there,
Clinton
snort,
rapping.
Bang and snorts everywhere. Old Mac Uncle starts a war. CIAIO. But the war on drugs is hell on a dope dog nose. It smells
Big
where
clap.
the nose goes. When the doors close and the dealer wanna hide the dope. In the booty, in the twat, then the squad and make the dog sniff his bowel. Foul as they fart in his face. Damn, for a shitty half-gram though.
And they got the cartoon theme on the album covers.
U.S. Custom
The album
Coast
covers.
Guard dope dog. Nickname Bust 'em. Like most dope sniffing dogs, you gotta have it. Trained to have it. Pick up the tracks of the traffickers. Track 'em like a rabbit up the coastline. K9 control substance
my crash at?
retriever. Receiver of the Golden Nose Award.
This got to be like mid-'80s. Maybe even the 90s, I don't know.
No time. A genetically improved smell capability.
Okay, I know what they're doing now. Here it comes right here.
Conceived under the influence of toxic wasted doctors, computer bugs, debugging devices, and vice versa, and various viruses. And until his retirement, no mention, no requirement, nowhere in his pension for the upkeep, the keeping up of the habit. The system have a habit of making.
Now, when I listen to music, when I fall in love with a song, the music, me personally, other people can't speak for them. The music gotta hit me first. Like I'm first time through, I'm listening to the music. I'm not listening to the words. That don't mean that I might not pick up some here and there, but I listen to the music. Like I said, that ding, ding. I'm listening to chords in the background. Listening with the boom, 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 boom. I'm listening to what the bass is doing. I'm listening to the drummer. I do all that first. Then I come back to, because I'm a musician first before I'm a vocalist. So, you know, and I stay in my lane with the vocals. You know, like I said, I ain't no Brian McKnight or nobody. But that's my approach.
So you get a habit that can't be kept up with unless you're a dope dog.
Dope dog.
A dope dog. An undercover knock with a
Keyboard
bark. He took a bite out of crime.
and piano.
Posing as a CNI dog, he bit the blind. The man with the cane made a coat. Sure as the dope boats float, the media goes comatose. Unrelated over-the-counter overdose. Now become drug-related. Aided and abetted by a lot of apprehension and indifference. The bigger the headache, the bigger the
And I love obscure music. Surprise me. Hey, y'all keep surprising me with music.
There's more profit in.
Hey, surprise me. In the comments, something you want to hear that was on the back of an album, never been on the radio before, and you like it, surprise me. I'd like to hear more things for the first time.
That was stopping it and selling it. Selling out, we're in for the shock of a lifetime. Stopping, we might find faces in prime time and faces of yours and mine. Over the counter, under the counter. On the counter, the drugs is not the drugs.
Just imagine how much fun they had in the studio recording this
the
stuff.
Money, it ain't funny. Uncle has a bank. Drugs are sure to flow. BCCICIADEAIO. U.S. Custom Coast Guard dope dog. Nickname Bustin' like most dope sniffing dog. Gotta have it, trained to have it. Pick up the tracks of the traffickers. Track 'em like a rabbit up the coastline. Canine, control substance retriever. Receiver of the Golden Nose Award. For leading to the cash, cashing in on the stash. Now he's in line for his issue of the booty. Never do a line in the line of duty. He's a dope dog. He can smell the cargo on the boats and planes and trains and things. He can smell the cargo on boats and planes and trains and things.
Dope dog.
A dope dog.
As usual, George Clinton with the dog thing. Shut up. All right, so that's Dope Dogs by George Clinton and the Pfunk All-Stars. Okay? Shout out to, again, Martin for bringing that to the table. Surprised me with a nice funky track. It's definitely a B-side, obscure George Clinton track. It would have never gotten on the radio. I'm sure George rapped through it. There wasn't a chorus or a hook that I could identify with. I have to listen to it again. You know, it's not like not just needy, she was so needy when she did the freak with me. You know, that stands out. You know, that's, you know, knee deep when you hear it. You know what I'm saying? And I can go on and on. Aqua Boogie, Underwater Boogie. So, yeah, it was kind of it was almost like it had that freestyle when singers attempt to rap type of music style. I love the instrumentation. Concept, like I said, I didn't really hear the words because I was listening to the, I like to produce music. I'm a producer, so I was listening to the music, the foundation of the song. But yeah, I give it a thumbs up. I'll listen to it some more. I'll listen to it again. I'll put it on my playlist. When I make me a P-Funk playlist, this will be on it. Because I like some other stuff that I'll never get on the radio too. So thanks again, Martin, for bringing that one to the table. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel, click the notification. Don't forget the merch. And we'll see you all next time. Remember, good music is in the ear of the beholder. And great music is timeless. Y'all take care now. Peace.